Guys, I don't know what to say, but I love it. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. What's up, guys? This is Polish Bullet. Another great video. Today we got something special for you guys. I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys too. There's a lot of people asking about it actually, so let's see how it goes. And as you can see, we got some of this stuff on the back seat. We got a big box over here. So we're gonna stop by the car wash real quick, prep couple of things, you're gonna see what's coming out. And then we're going to my brother-in-law garage so we can actually install it. Stay tuned and hope you guys love it. So what we're actually gonna do, we're gonna prep the roof, we're gonna wash it. Unfortunately, I don't have time today to do the full car wash and everything, so I don't know how long we're gonna take with the wrap anyways. And so we're gonna wash the roof, we're gonna clay it, and when we get to the garage, we're just gonna go with the prep, like the isopropyl alcohol. So we're gonna do that right before the wrap, and we try to lay it down. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, the roof is prepared basically, almost done. We cleaned it. You can tell right away after claying it looks different. You can tell it looks cleaner and everything. So yeah, we're gonna head to my brother-in-law garage right now. We're gonna get there, dry whatever we have to, prep the surface and start popping taps and stuff like that. We'll see how it goes. I'm so curious, regardless if it's gonna be a good video or or we're gonna fail, whatever. I'm still gonna post it so you guys can see the process. I never done anything like it, so hopefully everything goes Gucci, you know what I mean. So stay tuned. I'll take you for my little journey. You never know, it might work out this time. See you guys there. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the prepping the roof with the CMX surface prep. It's like alcohol, so you're gonna get rid of all the grease and stuff like that. And then we're gonna put some painter's tape around window over here. We're gonna try to remove all this trim, all the, how you call it, rain channel, whatever it is, all the trim over here on the roof. We're gonna lower the sunroof, and yeah, we're gonna try to remove the shark antenna. You know, that's gonna be probably the biggest challenge. So let's see how we can do it, you know. We're gonna try to be super delicate about it. Those are like plastic clips. You gotta pop them out. I hope it's not gonna break or nothing like that. You know, I've never done this before. Okay, let's see how it goes. We're doing good. You know, I bought this primer set. Oh, baby, we got it. We got the first one. I think this one's gonna be actually the worst part of overall. We gotta drop the headliner. We got 3 tabs over here. I don't know, probably the side panels we might have to. We'll see. I heard one person telling me that you can actually pop those 3. You can stick the wrench under and unscrew the antenna. So I guess we'll see how it goes. I don't want to wrap around the antenna. I'm not a professional at all, so I'll probably screw it in the first try. So yeah, let me try to pop it. Okay guys, it wasn't that easy, to be honest. Super humid today, but we got those tabs without breaking them. The headliner is loose. Now we just gotta figure out the way how to slide the wrench underneath or socket, whatever we can do. Lose the shark antenna and go from there, you know. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. I have no freaking idea. Okay guys, I decided to drop the headliner at least on one side, but everybody's telling me, oh, it's a Hyundai, quality sucks. Bro, pulling this plastic right now is almost impossible to me. It's
Here's
so,
what I found.
oh sorry Siri, it's so hard to do it. I mean, I gotta say, the headliner kind of sucks. It literally like a slightly carpeted cardboard or something like that. So you gotta watch out not to break. It's super easy to break. I can tell you right now. Wherever you push it too hard, and you're gonna leave a dent in it. So I'm still gonna try to fight with this panel. Drop the headliner down over here, so we can fortunately get to the bolt over here, to the nut. This is already loose. It's just I can't really see what I'm doing, so I figure I'll just do it. So yeah, bear with me guys. Okay guys, we managed to do it. Here's the side panel. It was a bitch. Now we're gonna try to loosen this headline a little bit over here, maybe up to this point. Maybe we don't have to remove this, hopefully. And yeah, drop it down a little bit, put a socket bit behind it, and unscrew the antenna. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot of work for me. We got it done. Now we're gonna have to clean everything. See the spot? We're gonna have to clean all the channels, everything, tape it, and try to put the wrap. I hope all my work didn't go for nothing. I hope the wrap's gonna look Gucci, because seriously, no wonder they charge you $500 to do the roof if you got this disassemble half of the car, you know what I mean? Seriously, I'm just a guy, okay? So obviously I'm doing it first time, and yeah, having fun. Okay guys, so the car is prepped. Okay, everything's ready. Hopefully that's how it should be. And this is it. Our gloss black. From what I remember, I think I ordered Vivid or maybe 3M. I don't know. I'm gonna let you guys know later on. I just forgot, you know. One is Vivid for sure. We got our Amazon special, all the squeegees, knives and stuff like that, you know. We got a heat gun just in case, couple of rags, whatever. So let's see how I do. Wish me luck, guys. I hope all the dismantling of the car didn't go for nothing. So hopefully it works out. I mean, pray for me. Our new Polish bullet sticker, just so everybody knows on the street who's cruising. So yeah, guys, wish me luck and let me introduce you to the process. Okay, don't look at my stuff, okay, as I'm a pro rapper or something. Okay, I did this is my first time. Okay, so if I don't hold a squeegee the right way, you don't have to blow me out of the water, okay, with your comments and stuff. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let me tell you guys, it's not as easy as the YouTube video shows, okay? You watch CK Reps or somebody else, how they doing it. I even watch in the morning. Boom, 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 5 minutes, easy peasy, no bubbles, no nothing. Me, on the other hand, I'm fighting for my life over here, okay? I don't want to waste it. I don't want to, you know, lose all the time when I dismantle the car and everything. Like, it's not easy. It's not like they show on the freaking YouTube. I mean, it is for the pro, not for the guy like me, you know. I mean, we're doing not bad actually. Still trying to squeegee all the air bubbles. Hopefully it's gonna be good. This one's a little bit thicker actually because we got a protective layer. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it's like you got a wrap, and there's another plastic like protective wrap, like PPF kind of on top of it. So, you know, you can see when you're scratching it with a squeegee. So it is what it is. We gotta lay it down nicely, then remove the protective cover, and hopefully it will be good. I hope I'm not gonna leave too much bubbles because I don't wanna redo it, trust me. Okay, let's go back to it.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better.
Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie. That was a challenge, okay? Look at this. I'm gonna take it outside in a second to show you how it looks like. It looks actually pretty decent. For the first time, it's not bad for sure. So I'm gonna take it outside, give you a couple of close-ups, but first I gotta put everything together, so give me a sec. Look at this. Nice, it's my first job. Obviously it's not super perfect. There are some little nicks over here and there, you know, but look at this in general. It looks really nice. It goes so good with the antenna, with the spoiler, and the mirrors. The mirror caps are also gloss black, so everything looks beautiful. And I hope you guys like it. I love it. It was a lot of work, to be honest. You know, if somebody want to do it, make sure you really want to do it. It's just crazy, you know. But I'm so happy I did it, and people who are actually suggesting it, I thank you very much. And it looks beautiful, beautiful. Goes so nice with everything. I'm gonna leave you a couple of shots, you know, drone shots and stuff like that. Maybe gonna give you an idea how it actually looks like. So yeah, and one more thing, I'm gonna have a giveaway for you guys. Since I'm not gonna do any hood wrap, at least for now, I'm gonna give you this. Give me a second. Let me take out the box. Okay, so what we got here is my old carbon fiber wrap. You guys see in the previous video when I was asking you guys for advice if I should wrap the hood or not. So this is a 5x5 piece. If somebody want to do it on Elantra hood, it's gonna be a little bit too short. So if you want to use it for something else, that's fine, you know, no problem. Just gonna be my giveaway because I got nothing I can wrap it with, and maybe you guys can use it for something else, you know what I mean? So how you do it? Never done any giveaways, so maybe leave a nice comment, okay? Give me a reason why I should send you the carbon fiber wrap, and make sure you include carbon fiber in the comments. I'm gonna try to figure out. I know guys doing it like intense, you know, they already figure out how to do the giveaways and stuff. I never done it, so it's gonna be my first time. And preferably USA, Canada, you know, I don't want to send it on the other side of the world for $300 or something like that. But yeah, that's gonna be my first giveaway for you guys. So thank you guys for staying with me, for tuning in, and I hope you like the video, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.